So if I were to go around over here and then let's say for example, say hello there, tell me a good quote right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that it gives me a quote right here. And let's say I want it to read aloud, then I can simply press the read aloud button right here. And then
Hello, here's a good quote for you. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs.
so that is what you have, as you can hear out right here, and it is in a certain voice. If you want to go around and change around the speed settings for this, then you can go around over here onto your profile and then onto settings right here. And over here on the left hand side, you can see that speed is an option. And right now, breeze is an option right here. Let's just go around onto Cove and then let's just go around and press the play button.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you.
And then you can hear out Ember as well.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
And then there's Juniper.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
So that is the voices that you have right here. Let's just go around with Cove right here, let's say for example, and close it. And now if I were to go around and click on read aloud.
Hello. Here's a good quote for you. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs.
And that is what you have, and that is how you can go around, change around the speed settings as you like inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.